smart home tech, simple to enjoy, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little notification bell next to it so you don't miss that next video. What's up, you wonderful people? Welcome to the Gross Tech Show. My name is Josh, and we've got a special one. The Lenovo Smart Display with Google Assistant is finally here. I'm a little excited if you haven't noticed. It's basically the Echo Show, just Google version of it. Finally, it's out. I'm just gonna unbox it for you. I'll plug it in, hopefully, and see, just the initial setup wise, see how it looks and everything. This is the 10-inch version. They also have an 8-inch version. I'll leave the links in the description below as always, but let's see what it looks like. So as you saw, nothing really impressive really in the box, but here it is in all its glory. Now the nice thing, judging by the feet, you can actually have this vertical or horizontal with the speaker at the bottom or the side. The back is this, the 10-inch comes in this wonderful looking bamboo plastic wrap. The 8-inch, I believe, is like a gray-white back of it. As you saw, there is a power cord, and that's really the only cord going to this. The top buttons have the volume up and down, mic on and off switch, so that's normal. But the thing that really makes this so much more amazing is the fact that it has a camera shutter. You can turn the camera on and off, not just by the software, but literally it puts a red dot shutter, physical shutter in front of the camera. This thing looks, it's amazing. 10-inch screen display. I'll put all the information down in the description. It does 1080 full HD video on this. Your screen size matters. Yes, the 8-inch does not do 1080. It does about 800, 720-ish. Alright, so we have it set up. It took a little while because I have horrible internet all the way out here in the shed. But here it is in all its glory. I set the clock to be the main screen. You can swipe up. You can do brightness, darkness. You can do auto and then your volume. If you want it to be do not disturb, you can go to settings. Will take us to here. You get your YouTube, you get your weather, schedule, YouTube. You can, this is so amazing. Beatbox for me.
Okay, put your hands together for MC sound file.
Yo, this is the Google Assistant by Lenovo Smart Display. All I gotta say is Echo Show, you gotta go. So here it is in all its glory. It's so amazing. I'm telling you, the screen on this is by far amazing. Play Gross Technology on YouTube. The nice thing, you get
what I found on YouTube.
The actual display of what it says or what it hears you saying. And then you can actually, don't forget to hit that, hey look, it's our video. So this thing is amazing. I'm going to be doing a review on it. I'm going to also do a this versus the Echo Show. Which one works better? Which one, I've already say this one does. It looks prettier. It looks amazing. Really being able to have the camera turn off literally by a screen being put in front of the camera is amazing. I can't believe I have one of these. I'm so excited that we have one now and we get to play with it. So stay tuned to the rest of the videos coming up. We will be doing in-depth review on it. what it does have, what it doesn't have. If we flip it this way, does it automatically? Nope, it don't. But you can put it this way for video mode. But what it is not able to do yet, because it's just brand new. So the updates and everything are going to be coming out for it. And we can't wait to show you guys what all you can do with the Google Home Display by Lenovo. Thank you so much for watching the video. My name is Josh with Gross Tech. God bless you guys, and I'll see you in the next episode. I'm gonna go play.